Hi guys, today we're going to make DJI Mobile 3 carry case. It's very easy, very cheap and very simple to carry around. So let's see how to make the case. The things which we need is a scale, razor, pencil, Osmo Mobile 3 and a thermocol. We have to take out the Osmo Mobile 3 from its original case, which is very difficult to take it out all the time. So it's a simple case. First we have to draw the outline using the pencil or pen, whichever suits you. So draw an outline of the gimbal and keep it aside. The next thing we should do is to cut the thermocol according to the size, and the thickness of the thermocol is totally on your side, so you can decide how much thickness you need while drawing the outline. So I will show you the thickness which I am taking, like for 1 centimeter thickness. So now let's cut the thermocol and make it into a thick layer, like 4 to 5 pieces. So let's cut it. So you can see I have taken total 5 pieces of thermocol at same level, and now let's start cutting out the border line which we have drawn. So let's start cutting it. First layer we have cut it out successfully. So according to this we have to cut all other 3 layers. So we should be very careful while taking out the piece which we have cut. Now I have cut all the pieces and now arrange all the pieces in the shape of the gimbal is assigned, and put it on the bottom layer which is plain and not cut, and arrange it in a proper manner so that all the sides are even, there are no bumps and all. Clear all the thermocol pieces, and after arranging it all we have to check whether the gimbal fit in or not, and we have to mark all the adjustments where the cutting has to be made. So as keeping the gimbal, I have come to know we need to make the hole little more bigger. So let's arrange and keep the gimbal simultaneously. Now I have increased the size of the hole, and now let's see whether the gimbal fits in. Yeah, but it's little more touch up I have to do on this, but it's okay. You can see how the gimbal sits. So now let's start gluing the thing. You have to glue all the pieces how it was kept it. So let's start gluing the pieces one by one. Now after gluing it, I can fit the gimbal. I made some alteration, so you can see the gimbal fits in easily, and it is very useful to carry around. And if you want, you can keep a top cover on the gimbal. So I will create a top cover. I will show you. Like this we can take out the gimbal, and I have to put a soft cloth. This was a Christmas cap cloth which I have taken. So we can cut in the cloth and stick it with the glue. So we have to put some thermocol inside, and it should be stuck properly on all the sides. You have to apply the glue. So after pasting it, it will be like this, and we have to adjust the sides so that the gimbal will be more like it will be no scratches will come to the gimbal. It's a very soft cloth. Let's adjust the side with the Fevicol. So this is how the final look after putting in the cloth. And on the top cover which we are going to put, we will put the leftover cloth from the cap. So this is how the finished look. And now the next thing is to apply a tape on it so that it will be waterproof. So rotate the tape all around the cover which we have made, and voila, this is the case which I was talking about. So if you like the case, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. The case is ready to protect the gimbal. The shape gimbal is set inside. If you want, you can keep the protective cover. You can strap it with a rubber band or anything. So this is how it will protect you. So it is very strong. Tackle any impact of falling down and all. And to take it out, just tap it. Just
slide out. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe.